Hi everyone, time for the cleaning transition and redecorating. So sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy. Now, even though I didn't show you this coffee, hot cocoa bar and coffee station that I put together for the theme that we had during the Christmas and the New Year's, I promise to bring you this again to show you exactly how I put it together in time to come. So I'm getting ready to break this down, take this away, and bring in my Valentine decor with my tier trays and all my forever sweets. So you see what my setup will be for that. Stay tuned. Now these cookies here, they was here for the New Year's and everything, and they still in these jars. Well, this is the reason why I told you, as creators on YouTube, that I try to bring in my faux food and my Forever Sweet collection, because these right here have to be thrown away. It's no good anymore. And we had so much going on at the party that they just didn't get eaten because there was so many other stuff there to eat. It really did turn out to be a great party. We had green eggs and ham, and I'll show you a clip from that that's coming up. And we really did eat green pancakes also. So everything turned out great. I just wanted to show you a little of what we did have. And I'll be doing a video in time to come on how to we put that together. I will be recreating these cookies that are similar to these cookies here that's in a collection that was on display for this past Christmas and New Year's. So we'll get back to that. Now let's go ahead to the living room cleaning and decorating. Packing and organizing my handmade ornaments, and also saying goodbye to my Santa pillow. I'm not sure what colors I think I'll be using for the next Christmas season, but it may just be what I have already in place. Remember, it took me some time to find this tree, and with that, I didn't worry about taking my tree down too soon. It stayed up until after Dr. King's birthday. That's why I'm just not doing my cleaning up and everything. It worked out just fine. I'm so happy to have my tree to look forward to in the time to come. What you're seeing now is my handmade DIYs that I did for the tree as far as my ornament that I'm now separating and getting organized to put away. I really think it helps when you take your time and put everything away by colors. Okay, now I'll put these in one container, then I'll organize my silver ornaments in another container, and then my white and gold, and so on. And if I'm not mistaken, I think the burnt orange and browns are trending. I'm loving the fact that I don't have to worry about unstringing this tree with the lights and everything on it. So that was always another step that I had to do in all the past years. Now it's like, no problem, take it down, break it down. It's already together for next year. What you see in here is another handmade DIY ornaments that I put together for my trees. I'll be showing you those DIYs in time to come. So be thinking about things, the colors that you may want to do and put together for the season to come. Now, after taking everything down, I have containers that I'm going to separate each one into containers. And that will help me to decide if I'm going to go with all silver or I'm going to go back to this color here, this bronze, pretty bronze color, orange, and just keep things separated in groups. And by doing this, it really helped with take down and put up. Now this is one of my favorite times is when I get a chance to redecorate my living room. I'm keeping my curtains up because this will help as far as the windows in the front with the weather. And I decided to move my sofa love seat over in the corner. And I'm glad I decided to do that. And once I put it over there, I had all this open space behind it. And I decided to take my tray and a planter stand and make it into a makeshift table. And I put everything organized, everything over here on this side of the room. I'm liking how everything's coming together. Now, to finish it off. Now, these last clips are from later on that night, so you might see it look a little dark. And I'll be accenting some area with Valentine theme. Okay, so let's style these tables and see how we can bring it all together. And you know I love adding my light ambiance, so just hang in there, we're almost there. And this is the results of me putting together that tray, that large tray and planter. I was able to put this back there behind the sofa. I decided to keep these large lanterns by the fireplace in place. And I think the next thing I have to do is also work on my fireplace mantle and see what I'm going to do to decorate that. Right now it's pretty plain. I'm not sure if I want to put greenery up there or what. Okay, let's keep moving. I decided to decorate with my sequence hearts for Valentine. I was undecided on the look, so this is my first look here and then my second look. I have something else also in mind that I may try, but I'll get back to that later. So for the fireplace side, I decided to just use my LED lanterns to decorate there. Just keep it simple. So here's another once around again so you can see everything. And I would like to say thank you for hanging in there with me this long. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And my channel is growing, but I need your help. So I need your help. Share my videos and recommend them to others, your family and friends. Here's a sneak peek at my next videos that's coming up. And also, you are invited to my first party of the year. This is my Valentine party and it's called Chocolate Sensation. I'll be walking through step by step how I pull this all together. Come back, I'll meet you here, and as I always say, stay safe and be blessed. And to all my subscribers, thank you, amores, and I'll see you next time.